I'm an email marketing coach. 6 years ago, I left the world of cancer research to pursue my passion for fashion, and that's where I met email marketing and absolutely fell in love with ConvertKit. Here is your ConvertKit tutorial of the week, the month, the year, how to create a broadcast. So here I am on my ConvertKit profile. The first step is to go into send, and then click broadcast. Once you click broadcast, you'll be taken to the broadcast tab. And on this tab, there's a lot of information. Let's go through it. All broadcasts will show you all the broadcasts that you've ever sent, and as well as drafts, a mix of broadcasts that are in your profile. Then if you go to drafts, it's going to show you all of the drafts that you have. So in this case, I have 3. Processing shows you all of the emails that are currently being sent out or being processed to be pushed out to your email list. Queued are all the emails that are scheduled as broadcast, and then completed are all of the broadcasts that you've ever sent in your whole entire life. Why would you send a broadcast? A broadcast is an email that's a one-off email. So it's an email that is sent at a scheduled time for a specific reason. So let's say you're sending out a newsletter, or you're sending out an email for a Zoom invite at Thursday at 4 o'clock at a specific time and date, and it's scheduled. That's when you would send a broadcast. This is completely different than sequences, which are automated emails that act as an autoresponder. So let me show you how to create your first broadcast. Next, you click the red button that says New Broadcast. And here you're going to see the subject line. Let's make our subject line testing. So that's the subject line. Then you are going to add the content right here. You would add your content here. If you wanted to switch to a specific template that you designed, you can switch it on the right-hand side on the actual panel here. And if you wanted to actually A/B test your subject line, you can click the A/B button on the right-hand side and select another subject line. So testing 2. So here you go. You have testing 2, those are 2 different subject lines. So you're going to test them to see which one does really well. You add your content right here. If you want to change your template, you can do that here as well. And then you select continue. When you select continue, it shows you a preview of the actual email that you're going to send. If you click this preview button right here, it will show you the email as a subscriber and allow you to send a test email to yourself. If you want to check the buttons, make sure that they're working, and make sure it looks amazing on your mobile phone or your desktop. After you're done that, you can select close preview. On the right-hand side, it shows you the 2 subject lines. So the first subject line A is testing, and subject line B, testing 2. Then you can select who you're sending it from. Maybe you have multiple senders. So in this case, I'm going to be using Aquila Testing, and that's my actual email address. Don't spam me, okay? Don't spam me. And then you're going to select your subscribers. Maybe you're sending to all of your subscribers. And here it says matching all of the following. Let's say you wanted to remove subscribers from this broadcast. You would have to add another filter group. You select that button, and instead of any or all, you select none. Okay, so you select none. That means those people will not be added to your to this email. Okay, and once you do that, you can schedule it. So let's say we're going to schedule it for March 2022 at 12:30 a.m. EST. It shows you EST. Right? Maybe you want to post this to your public feed. You turn that on. And advanced options, this is really important. Preview text. Don't forget the preview text. So here you can put a description of what the email is about so that it would appear right under the subject line. As an internal note, this is where you can write a note for yourself if you ever want to find this broadcast again. So testing Aquila, find it. Okay. Then you press continue. And when you press continue, you get this screen. This screen will show you the email address it's being sent from, how many subscribers, and what the broadcast would look like. And you press the red button and it's scheduled. That's how you create a broadcast. ConvertKit has so many amazing options to get you started with email marketing. Definitely try out their free account by clicking the link in the comments here and signing up. It's totally free. I'm an affiliate because I love this program. I switched over from MailChimp many years ago, and it has allowed me to hit over 6 figures in digital product sales. So definitely sign up for ConvertKit and leave your questions below. I'm happy to answer. I am here to help you all. Find me on Instagram, AquilaFarrell, especially on Twitter, where I spit email marketing gems all day. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye for now.